Are you that person that has no pictures of yourself on social media? Or if you do, the pictures are always like this. You're either hiding behind a crowd or you're hiding behind some object. Well, if you're sick and tired of feeling and looking the way you do, maybe I can help you. Let me tell you my story. In just a few months' time, I lost over 40 pounds. I dropped 4 medications. I sleep better, I feel better, and I reversed medical conditions that doctors don't have an answer for. On my last visit, the doctor said to me, I don't know what you're doing, but whatever it is, keep doing it because you're defying medical science. So if you're tired of getting up in the morning and not feeling or looking the way you do, if your clothes don't quite fit the way you want them to, I can help you. I'm a certified health and wellness coach with the Institute of Integrative Nutrition in New York City. So I've been there, done that, and I know what I'm talking about. 203-257-4727. Call me for your complimentary consultation, and let's work on a plan to fix what's broken.